Speak, listen, hub.
Do you love English movies but hate reading subtitles? What if you could finally understand every line, every joke, and every whisper without reading a single word? In this video, you'll learn how to understand English movies without subtitles. Watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe so English can finally sound clear, easy, and fun.
I can't watch any movie without subtitles. My brain just freezes.
Really? Even cartoons?
Especially cartoons. They speak so fast.
Yeah, I get it. American movies can sound like one long word.
Exactly. They eat half the words.
You mean connected speech, like did you eat becomes did ya eat?
Wait, did ya? That's real?
Oh yeah. And what are you doing turns into what you doing.
No wonder I understand nothing.
See? Step 1, learn how they really talk, not just textbook English.
So they're just lazy?
Not lazy, just fast. They blend sounds.
Like a smoothie?
Exactly. English smoothie.
Okay, smoothie English. Got it.
For example, I'm going to becomes I'm gonna.
Ooh, that one I know. Gonna, wanna, gotta.
Perfect. Those are movie essentials.
I'll start listening for those sounds instead of reading words.
Yes. Train your ears like a detective.
Okay, but when I watch, my eyes want the subtitles.
That's normal. You need a trick.
Trick? Tell me now.
Watch one scene 3 times.
3 times? That's crazy.
Not really. First, with subtitles. Second, without subtitles. Third, pause and repeat what they say.
Like shadowing?
Exactly. You become the actor for 10 seconds.
So I just copy their voice?
Copy the sound, rhythm, even emotion.
I'm the king of the world.
See, you're already improving.
But my voice sounds funny.
That's okay. You're training your ears and mouth.
I guess pronunciation is like a muscle.
Yes. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
So I can call this mouth gym?
Yeah, Hollywood mouth gym.
Sometimes I still try to translate in my head.
That's the problem. Stop translating.
But how? My brain loves Persian subtitles.
Give your brain English snacks.
Snacks?
Small, easy English moments every day. Songs, memes, short clips.
Oh, so my brain can eat English all day?
Exactly. Little bites, no stress.
I like that. English diet plan.
100%. Lose subtitles, gain listening skills.
I feel bad when I pause too much.
Why?
The pause button is your best friend.
Really?
Sure. When you pause, you give your brain time to catch up.
So I can say, wait, what was that sound?
Exactly. Replay, repeat, rewind.
It sounds like a DJ class.
You're remixing English.
Okay, DJ English, I'm ready.
That's the spirit. Learning should feel like music.
But some movies are too hard.
True. Don't start with The Godfather.
So what's good for beginners?
Sitcoms like Friends, Modern Family, The Office.
But they talk too fast.
Yes, but their sentences are short and real.
I love Friends. I already know Joey.
Perfect. Watch what you love. That's motivation.
So fun plus learning equals success?
Exactly. Emotion helps memory stick.
Textbooks never said, "What's up?"
Yeah, textbooks are like polite robots.
And movies are like real life. Messy, but fun.
Exactly. Learn from what people actually say.
Even slang?
Of course. But learn the polite and funny ones first.
Like, no worries, my bad, chill out.
Nice. You sound like a local already.
Finally, not a robot.
Mission accomplished.
Should I stop subtitles now?
Not yet. Use English subtitles first.
Why?
Because you'll connect the sound and the spelling.
Oh, like matching puzzle pieces.
Exactly. After a while, remove them.
Like taking off training wheels?
That's the idea. You'll ride free soon.
And understand movies without panic.
Yep. No subtitles, no stress, just popcorn.
So, I just need to keep doing it?
Every day. 15 minutes. Consistency beats subtitles.
Maybe one scene while I drink coffee?
Perfect. Make it part of your morning routine.
Like brushing my teeth. English for ears.
Exactly. Soon, you'll think in English sounds.
That's crazy, but exciting.
It's possible. You'll surprise yourself.
Okay, challenge accepted. No subtitles from next week.
Welcome to the real movie world, superstar.
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.